Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your paperback on Amazon KDP. So let's dive right in. The first thing that you need to do is you need to come to your browser and you're going to type in Amazon KDP. So it's going to bring you to this page where you're going to start creating and publishing your book. By this time, I'm already assuming that you've already created your paperback in CANVA or Midjourney or any other place that you're creating your books from. So for this case, let's get right into the video. You're going to click on the create button right here. Then it's going to bring you here. You'll see if you have a Kindle ebook, you're going to click on this. But for this case, you're going to focus on the paperback. So you're going to click on create the paperback. So once you're created in the paperback, you'll find the first thing is you need to select the language that you're using. We have different languages here. So you're going to select the one that you're using. For this case, I'm going to use English. And then for the book title, you're going to put in the book title, the title of your book. So you're going to come here and write the book, maybe say coloring book. Make sure that the name on the cover, which I'm going to cover in the next episode, I'll talk more about it, it's the same name that is on the book. Okay, so you're going to type in the book coloring, kids coloring book. Then you're going to come here to the subtitle. You're going to add the subtitle. They say it's optional, but make sure you write the subtitle too. Then the next thing, you're going to add your book to the series. If your book has series, make sure that you add the series to this book. Edition number is optional, but if you do have an edition number, go on ahead and do it. So here is the part that is very important. So here, this is the author. You are the author or you have somebody helping you. So for this case, you need to write your name. If you have a prefix, first name, middle name, last name, and the suffix if you have it. Then the next thing here, you're going to write, if you have other people helping you write the book or who are contributing to the book, then you need to add them here. We have this one, then you can add another one, as many as you can. But if you do not have it, you just leave it blank. For the description part, this is where you come and describe how your book is, what your book is all about. You're going to write it all here. You've been given 4,000 characters to work with, so you can write as much as you want. You can make it bold, you can italize it, or you can underline the word. You can number it or use bullet forms depending on what you need to do. Then for the publishing rights, you're going to come here and choose if you're the author of the book or you own the copyright to the book, because you need to acknowledge whoever you're writing it with or where you got the work from. So if you created it from scratch, you need to click on I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights to this book. So here is the sexually explicit images or title. You're going to choose based on what your book is. Most of the books, definitely, they do not have the explicit images. So you're going to choose yes. No, for the not explicit images, your book is right for any age. So here you're going to choose the people that you're creating it for. If you're creating the book for kids, make sure you indicate their ages right here. You can click on the drop down menu, it will give you the ages right here. You're going to choose the one that you're creating the book for, and then here you're going to choose up to what age the minimum age, the maximum age for the kids is. Then you're going to choose the marketplace, primary marketplace. This is where your book is going to be mainly published. So for this case, I'm going to use amazon.com, but you can use .uk if you're in UK. Depending on where you are, you can always choose this. But for this case, we're going to stick with amazon.com. Then here you're going to choose the categories. You're going to choose the categories and you're going to you have to choose right here so that you can see where it is. So if your book is yes, you have to come here and answer. So you have to choose here and say no, so that it will allow us to move forward. So you come in here, you'll come here and choose the categories. You're going to check on these, use keywords or use book bolt, which is another topic that I'm going to cover in the next video. So it's going to show you where your book lies. You're going to check here and see where does your book lie. Is it literature and fiction? Is it engineering and transportation? Based on the type of book that you're creating, you're going to choose the category here. So once you've chosen the category, you're going to save the category, and then you're going to, this one is very important because if you don't check one of these boxes, your book is going to be returned. Or if you check the boxes and it's not the right box, your book is also going to be returned to you. So I'll cover this one in another video, but be sure to know where your book lies. So low content books are like journals, notebooks, and planners. Then large print books are those books that have images inside of them. This is another topic that I'm going to cover in the next video. The next step is choosing the keywords. So here you have to come choose the keyword based on the book that you've created. They've given you 7 boxes, free boxes for you to choose the keyword that you want to use. It can be phrases, it can be one word phrase, or it can be a sentence with another word. So make sure to make them short and as precise and concise as possible. Then the next thing is you're going to choose the publication date. So you're going to say either it was published and released at the same time or when it was previously released somewhere maybe. So you're going to choose this one right here. Then the release date, you're going to choose when do you want your book to be released. So if you want it to be released, it will take 72 hours to go live. So this is the time that they are reviewing and they're doing everything to make sure that your book is free of error and it's good to go. So here they'll take 72 hours to get back to you so that they can be able to publish your book. So then you're going to click on save and continue, and then you're going to come. So here we have to choose a category. That's where we can move. So we're going to choose either children's book, and then we're just going to choose a subcategory, just say early learning, so that it will allow us to move forward. So now once you've done that, you're going to move save and continue. Let's just, okay, so we have to, okay, so we're going to choose, we are going to fix these errors first so that it will allow us to move. I thought I chose the category right here, children's book. Okay, early learning, subcategory, basic concepts. So you make sure you choose as you're prompted, then you save them. So we have those. What else are we supposed to fix? Description, we're just going to put maybe those ones right there. Then the last name, we're going to maybe say Juliet, middle name. Then we're going to just, I'll be just putting in some words just to make sure that we can move ahead so that you understand what it is that I'm telling you. So there you go. Then you can save your work. Publishing rights. Where is that? I own this work. You're going to continue. So now you're going to the next page. This is the paperback content. So this is where you're going to upload now your video, your paperback. So here you're going to say assign me, but if you do have it, so here you're going to go to the paperback content and you're going to tell them to assign you an ISBN, which is this number. So once they have given you this number and your book is published, which is another video, of course, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about this in more detail so that you understand what it is that I'm saying. So now this is the interior, this is the print options where how do you want your book to come out? Do you want it to have white and black interior with white paper, black and white interior with green paper? or standard. So for me, I usually go with white. Then you're going to choose here based on your book. Is it a 6.9? Or you can choose a different size. There's these different sizes right here. You can choose based on your book. So when you're creating your book, make sure you use the KDP calculator, which is another video also on its own. I'm going to create a video on its own. So make sure that you check it out. You make sure that you have the correct size. So for this case, we're going just to use that one. And here you're going to choose either no bleed or PDF only. You're going to choose no bleed. If you need it to be matte or glossy, you can. Then now here is the most important part of where you need to now upload your manuscript. So you're going to upload your manuscript. So we are going to put now our interior. This is the interior that we had created. So we are going to use them to put them right there. So for this case, we are doing a book. I'm just going to use some of the samples that I have. So I have those, I'll open them. And then now you can see they're uploading. So that's how you do it. You wait for it to upload. And once you've uploaded it, you've uploaded the cover, you are satisfied with whatever. So now that's our manuscript, it's been uploaded. Then you're going to come here. They tell you to use either their cover creator or you can use your own. So you're going to come down here and click on upload a cover that you already have, because I'm sure you've already created it on Canva or Midjourney, as I said, or on Bookbolt. So whichever way you created it, it's fine. Just come here, click on upload, and then you're going to upload your cover file. So what you're going to do is you're going to check for the cover file where you created it from. So let's see, I'll just click on that, then I'll open that. So you can see it's uploading. We've already uploaded our pages. Now we are uploading these books right here. And also, if you need for me to create for you covers and these interior pages, you can just contact me, and I always do them at a very fair price. So now here we go. This is our cover. It's been uploaded successfully. Our manuscript has been uploaded successfully. So that's how you do it. So once you've already done it, they'll ask you if you've used any AI. If you've used any AI tool in your images or creating the text or translations, make sure you click on it, because if you don't, it will bring you problems later on. So have you used AI? You'll say either no or yes. Then you're going to click on launch previewer. So with the launch preview, this is just something that helps you to see if you have any mistakes on your project that you need to rectify before you make it live. Before they upload, you upload it to your page, and then they'll have a review, check it out. So it will just be a guide to help you see if your work is correct. So as you can see, this is our cover right here, and this is our book. So which means I chose the wrong trim size. So that's why I told you, whenever you're going to check the trim size, make sure that you check all the things to check sure that this red line, like everything right here, is supposed to be in the red line, not outside the red line, because this thing is something that is going to be trimmed. But for the sake of this video, because I was just illustrating it, you're going to make sure that your cover follows the guidelines right here. Okay, you can see they are saying it's supposed to be in here. So you're going to go and fix these errors, because they'll tell you to choose 6x9, 6.0 by 9.0 trim size, so that your interior file. So you can see I chose the wrong interior size. So you're going to come back to go back to the after the launch previewer. You're going to go back and change. Okay, you're going to go back and change whatever it is that you are doing. So you're going to come back here and you're going to change the interiors. So you're going to select a different size. They told us to do 6.0 and They told us to do 6.0 and 9.0. So if it's not here, you're going to add it. So make sure that you've added it. But overall, that's how you do it. You go and make changes to your book until it fits. Then once you're ready, you're going to save and continue, and it's going to bring you to the third page, which I'll be talking in the next video, how to price, how to do the pricing and everything. But that is it for now. Till next time, see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I love you guys. Bye bye. And thank you so much for watching to the end. That's it from me today. If you did not understand anything in the video, or if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out or leave your comment down below. Like this video, share, because there'll be more that I'll be discussing. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If it wasn't relayed well, guys, I do apologize, but next time, believe me, you're going to get a lot of good videos from me. So please do subscribe to the video and share this video. Thank you so much for being here. It was nice having you. Now, bye bye.